Hello guys, this is Harsh Mishra from beginnersection.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress website for free. Uh, I'm showing how you can create a WordPress website step by step from scratch. Mm, so first we will create a WordPress website locally on your PC itself. Then we will migrate your WordPress website to live server, where then you can migrate it. So let's get started. This is post where I've already written how you can create a WordPress website. So if you want, you can read this post. I will share this link in the description. So things you need. This is important. What are the things you need when your website is ready? After you create locally and your website will be ready, you must have a service provider, domain name. These two things are necessary. Only then you can see your website live on the internet. So first step is download WordPress files on your computer. So let's move on to first step. Go to wordpress.org. So this is the official website of WordPress. This is open source. WordPress is an open source software. You can use it to create a beautiful website, a blog or app. Just click on this button, get WordPress. Now download the WordPress zip file here. Download WordPress 5.5.1. This is the newest version. So here the dialog box come appears. Choose where you have to save. I'm choosing on desktop. So save. Now see. So second step is download MAMP on your computer. MAMP is a software to create लोकल होस्टिंग लाइक इसमें आप पहले अपने कंप्यूटर को होस्ट एज इन सर्वर क्रिएट कर दोगे जिससे आप अपनी वेबसाइट को लोकल इस ऐसे आप देख सकते हो लोकल होस्ट कॉलन पोर्ट 8888 पर अपने अपनी वेबसाइट को देख सकते हो। अभी फ़िलहाल ये खाली है क्योंकि मैंने मैप ऑन कर रखा है। बट जो मैम का एच टी डॉक्स फोल्डर होता है जहाँ पे वेबसाइट एक्सट्रैक्ट होती है, वेबसाइट की फाइल्स होती हैं, वो खाली इसलिए इंडेक्स ऑफ ब्लैंक दिखा रहा है। सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज शोइंग ब्लैंक। सो yeah, it's download complete. So we will, what we have to do is just take this zip to that folder. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, here it is. So just cut. Now open htdocs. Here if you are using Windows, then it will be in cdisk, then MAMP. So here htdocs. In this folder you have to extract it. Like first I will paste it, then extract all. Click on the extract button. So it's gonna take some time, about 5 to 4 minutes. Until then I will explain what is a MAMP. So here I have explained it briefly. So you can all जो मैम्प होता है बेसिकली आपके ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को एज एन सर्वर यूज उसका पोर्ट एक पोर्ट ले लेता है, उस पोर्ट पे उस वेबसाइट को लोकली होस्ट कर देता है। जस्ट लाइक आई हैव यूज पोर्ट 888 here. This is the default port used by the MAMP. So हम यहाँ पे हम लोकली होस्ट करेंगे अपनी वेबसाइट को। just what we just download it. If you haven't downloaded it, just download it from the MAMP. Yeah, here is the link, MAMP info and download. This is the link. Download the MAMP from here for Windows or Mac, whatever your system is. So just download it and install it. Then if you just open it, then it will be just like this, and you have to start server. Here is it, there will be start servers. When you click on it, Apache server and MySQL server both will be started. I've already started it, and it's gonna take some time, so I'm pausing my video. So WordPress file extracted successfully. Now what we have to do is take all the file out of this folder. Otherwise this will create a directory. Let me show what I mean. Now see this WordPress 5.51 zip. So we don't want this. We want when we click go to this localhost dot colon 888 port, our WordPress website should be shown. So here, select all the files, cut htdocs, paste it here. You can now delete zip file and WordPress file. So now what we have to do is click on this, again reload this page. Maybe it takes some 2 to 3 minutes to load. Now this is the installation page of WordPress, asking for the language you want. If you want English United States, you can select. If you want another language like any other language you want, English, Australian, Canada, South Africa. Now click on continue. 1 minute. Click on continue. Choose the language, click on continue. So here's the page. Welcome to the WordPress. What we need to do is database name, provide database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix. So let's go. Here's the warning given. Um, this warning means that if this installation do not automatically simple fill the database information in config file, wp config file, so we have to do it manually then. So here's the WordPress database name, username. You have to this give this all this. Okay, then so I have explained it here. Now what we have to do is go to MAMP, scroll the down page. This is the link. I've already provided the link. What you have to do is just copy this and paste it here. Remove the colon please, otherwise it will. So read it or will not gonna work. Enter. What we have to do is, this is PHP MyAdmin page. Find MySQL and then under it PHP MyAdmin. Okay, then this is the database. What we have to do is create a new database. Click on the new button. Now you have to provide database name. Let me show you. I will provide WP wiki. WV wiki. Okay. It must be UTF-8 general CI. It this first search for UTF at 8 English CI. Uh, yeah, general. Sorry, general. UTF-8 general CI. Now click on the create button. So database WP wiki is created successfully. Now what we have to do is just copy its name, database name. Here's database name WP wiki. Provide it here. WP wiki. Username and password must be root and root. So what you have to add, username, in username root, password root, localhost colon 8889 port. Otherwise it's gonna show you the error. Here's server localhost 8889 port, and it's default. Don't change it, don't add anything here. Just click on submit. So it's asking for the run the installation part. Click on the run the installation. Now, information needed: what site title, username, password, and your email ID. So add title of your site here, WP Wiki. Username and password. Asking for whatever you add here, username and password. Keep it remember, because like I'm gonna add admin and choose password strong, like admin @2020. Showing weak, it's okay, you can change it afterwards also. Confirm the use of weak password because this is weak. Okay, now email ID, add your email ID here. Don't click on this button, discourage search engine from indexing. It is for the search engine visibility. If you click on this button, then your website will never show up in the Google search. So don't just check this box like this. No, don't do it. Now install the WordPress. Click on the install WordPress. Just copy and now click on the installation WordPress. सो बेसिकली ये था, ऐसे हम वर्डप्रेस इंस्टॉल करते हैं लोकली. अब हम इस वेबसाइट को देख सकते हैं लोकल होस्ट कॉलन ट्रिपल एट एट पोर्ट पे. सो this shows success message. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Your username is admin and password whatever I have chosen. Now login. Click on the login button. Now here I am. Add your username, email or password here. Admin @2020. Let me see. Yeah. Login. Click on the login button. So your WordPress website is successfully created. Okay, the okay PHP update required. This is the dashboard, backend part of your WordPress. Here you can just hover on it, WP Wiki, and click on the view site. Now your front end, how it looks like. Yeah, this is the front end of your website. So this is default theme. You can change it. You can buy theme also, premium themes, or you can apply free themes available here. I will show you. One second. When you want to log in again, just localhost 888 slash WP admin. Go to this URL. Now when you will buy the server and host it on it there and buy the domain, then uh, this will be replaced by a domain name like wikijunction, like this wikijunction.com WP admin. Now this is the first part of the video where I have shown you how you can create a WordPress website locally, host it locally. So here in the htdocs, in the MAMP folder in htdocs, here the file of your WordPress website, and the database is in the MAMP PHP myadmin. Yeah, there. So this is the database WP Wiki. See, there's the tables, WP commit meta, WP comments, WP links. This is the database. Just don't touch it or don't drop it, otherwise you will lose your data. Now in the next coming video, I will show you how you can, I will teach you about the WordPress, how you can create post, how you can change themes, how you can add plugins, install plugin, delete plugins, and then in the last part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate it to live server, host it on a live server and see it live on the internet. As I have already told you what you would need in the last part, domain name and the server, hosting service. You can purchase it, or even there are some hosting provider which provides free of cost, just like 00 web host. You can take it from them. Yeah, he says just you have to free sign up. So this is all. Thank you guys for